Welcome everybody. This is a demo of the Liri command line app assignment week 10. We will use this application to search movies at the OMDB database, use Spotify API to get a list of top 10 recommended songs when we request one. We can also let Liri recommend a song. For our first example, we're going to go ahead and search for a movie. We are searching for the movie Blade. Enter. And what it does is it goes to the OMDB database, brings back the movie Blade, all of its information here. Okay, the next example, we'll go ahead and do the same thing, but we'll look for a movie with multiple words in it. Shawshank Redemption, and it gives us information from there. So let's go ahead and clear that out. Okay, we're going to go ahead not search a specific movie and just use the command. This will automatically go to the default set, which is Mr. Nobody, and then clear. Okay, we're going to go into the Spotify section of Liri now. And then I'm just going to type in Sunflower. It gives me the top 10 songs for Sunflower right here. Post Malone being number 1. Okay, let's clear that out. And then I will do the same, but without a song. Liri's going to recommend The Waiting by the Mowglis. If the song is not selected, this is the default that comes up. This is what comes from the random text file here. And it should be I want it that way. And it is, and it gives 10 I want it that ways back. Any help? All you have to do is enter, and it'll give you the commands that you need to run off the different parts of the Liri arguments. All of the selected requests are logged into a text file, as you can see here. All songs, movies, etc. That is my demo. Thank you very much.